Bryant. Oh! Ouch! And the explosion of Kobe Bryant just takes off and bring up a facial on Jared Jackson.
The Lakers, because of this man, Kobe Bryant, can take over. Pat Garrity getting caught flat-footed there.
As leading scorer, they need some help.
Long run out by Kobe Bryant. Behind. Oh! What did I just see?
People to their feet. What's a sensational play?
Here we got a dribble drive, change of direction by Bryant.
I think that's what the fans came to see. And you talk about elevation. Chick, he went up to the...
Hates the double team O'Neal. Horn, Fisher, nice rotation of Bryant.
Buckham just sucked the gravity out of it.
Difficult it is to do that.
That brought everybody out of there.
It gives an issue. He's going to have to shoot it with 3, with 2. In trouble. Forced out.
Kobe making this ridiculous double head fake from behind.
Quickly. Bryant. 3 from the corner.
Silly stuff from Kobe. I mean, just catching fire, and I mean nothing but...
And Blake gets it into Kobe. Kobe, good little fake. 3 to tie.
Bates, they're there. He elevates. He scores.
Gray comes out to double. Kobe around him. Kobe down the middle.
Stand in, get a blocking foul. Get it.
Artest looking, gets it to Bryant. Bryant dribbling, has to put it up at the buzzer.
The only thing I said is Haslam should have stayed on it. But when you get beat on that...
What a tough shot, banking in the 3. And the Lakers...
Payton. Bryant out top against Patterson. Kobe cannot get Patterson in the air. A wild...
Ties the ball game up as only Kobe Bryant can do.
Bryant for 3.
Cleanly, Theo Ratliff comes running out. It's a good shot.
No way this will...
From the old school kind of player that plays through things and makes no excuses. That's why I think he's been going to the basket.
Go through Staples Center, as they have through his entire... Equals a 50-point game. Kobe underneath.
He seemed to get tired.
Down the middle he goes. Corner of the Kings. Down 4. Bryant on his way. With half a minute to play. Bryant for the lead.
Yeah, 58. And the good news is the Lakers have a...
By not being close to a man.
They'd love to get it into Nash's hands, and they do. Ball knocked away, stolen by Parker.
There it is.
Here comes George to Kobe Bryant. Bryant inside, it's good.
Parker knocked that ball loose, and this is a miracle.
Walton can tip it. Bryant with the save.
Oh, you got to get a shot here.
Final seconds. Bryant for the win. Bang! You'll be still looking at it. They haven't made the official announcement yet. Oh, no question.
Oh,
I don't know what the delay is.